There's another group of soldiers making a difference, not only in Iraq, but in Afghanistan as well.
Our medical editor, Dr. Paul Little, takes us to Aberdeen Proving Ground, Maryland, where a one-of-a-kind laboratory makes life easier and safer for warfighters.
Go for whiskey 1. Roger, be advised, we got the...
Service members deploy all over the globe, sometimes to unfamiliar regions. So how do they know the water and air are clean and the soil is not contaminated? Well, that's the job of their preventive medicine teams. But when they need help, they dial 911 for the Army Public Health Command's analytical lab.
The samples we receive from the field are air samples, water samples, soil samples. These samples are critical to the commanders because they need to know if they are able to build some apparatus or build a headquarters or something in that particular area.
Here we have 3 samples, 2 surface waters from Afghanistan, 1 surface water from Iraq. We're going to take the total volume of the samples and we're going to cook them down to 1 ml, and we're going to get all the components that are in them and to analyze them and to see if there are any harmful compounds in them.
The main sample we receive are the drinking water. Obviously, they want to make sure they have fresh drinking water, and they get bottled water that they've obtained from the field or from the country that they're in, and then we verify that that water is still safe to drink.
When lives are at stake or critical missions have to succeed, this lab compresses days or weeks into hours.
Once they get here express, we have various type of priorities in which we put our laboratory in, and we can turn that sample around within 24 hours. A lot of work and a lot of coordination, and not just the field, but in the Haiti and the responses and response relief projects also that we get involved in. We've been able to support initiatives within 24 hours.
And that keeps service members healthy
3039, ready?
and missions on track. Dr. Paul Little, Aberdeen Proving Ground, Maryland.